Hi and welcome to Magic Oil Mondays here at Ultimate Floor Care. In 2025 we have hooked up with Pallmann to bring you Magic Oil Mondays. So that every second Monday of the month throughout 2025 we're going to be bringing you a video, product demonstration, Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives and so on throughout 2025. Now in 2024 Ultimate Floor Care did do Magic Oil Mondays, but we were super busy, so we didn't have the consistency and the time really to give you what you needed. So we have the sales manager Mac from Pallmann here that's going to be doing this throughout 2025 with us. So Mac, do you want to tell everyone what we're going to be doing in 2025 with Magic Oil Mondays?
Thanks for the welcome, mate. Really happy to be here, and we're really hoping from this Magic Oil series that we're going to be bringing more consistent and more knowledgeable content to you guys that you can use every single day when you're out on the job site. One of the things that obviously we will be touching on is more in-depth technical properties on all of the different magic oils. Again, we have a nice variety for you guys to use, and I won't go into much detail with them today.
No.
But that's going to be something that we're going to be going through across the series throughout the year for you guys to learn about. And if there is anything you guys want to know, then just feed us in some questions, whether it be in the comments, either through WhatsApp, through email, etc. We'd be more than happy to answer them questions. Another thing that we're going to try and do in this series is bring you some live demonstrations, whether that be through Facebook or Instagram, but also we're going to do some pre-recorded interviews and demonstrations as well, which we think you guys will be able to find beneficial. So another thing that we're going to try and work on is getting some competitions sorted for you guys. That might be something that we do every quarter. I know you guys have been thinking about doing something like this last year, but it's something that we want to obviously put into practice. And then also making this an event as such. Can we do some training with you guys, whether it be here down in Cambridge or whether it's up in Stafford at our campus, which again, obviously working for Pallmann and working for Oozin, we're obviously very proud of. So I have a question for you, mate.
Go on.
What makes magic oil magic?
Well, I'd definitely say one of the main features of Magic Oil, and the reason that it is so magic, it's so easy to use. The curing time and load bearing time is overnight, 12 hours. There's such a huge range of different types of Magic Oil for different types of usage. We're talking spa, change, original, ergo. We're going to go through all of these throughout 2025 to give you guys, the watcher, you guys, the listener, as much information about Magic Oil. So whether you're using Magic Oil or you're thinking about Magic Oil Mondays are going to be right for you. Throughout 2025 we are going to be doing competitions and we need your input. So all the questions you want answered, all of the amazing jobs that you've done, send them all in, and at the end of every quarter we're going to be giving away a prize that we still yet to confirm what it is, but it's definitely going to be Magic Oil related,
yeah,
definitely. So yeah, that's going to be about Magic Oil Monday. But next episode here in February we're going to be introducing Scott Hendry, which is the technical manager here at Pallmann in the UK. So it's going to be really good, so you guys, the listeners and watchers, can get to know who the technical guy here at Pallmann is, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about Magic Oil change.
Yeah, really looking forward to getting Scotty on here. I think, you know, he's a guy that's obviously new to the business with Oozin. Very similar to myself. He's only been here, 4 or 5 months, but he's really keen to get involved with Pallmann. So it'd be really interesting to hear his journey, and obviously his journey into flooring, into hardwood flooring, solid wood flooring, etc. And obviously finding out what he, knows, his knowledge, and also what he wants to learn out of 2025. I think it'd be really insightful. Again, this is tailored around Magic Oil. However, obviously whilst I'm here, I think it's really important that we don't forget the other systems that Pallmann do as well. And again, if you guys want to have some in-depth, whether it be training, like I say, up at the campus, or some more insight into what we do, let's say around lacquers, primers, some of the accessories that we use, the maintenance, etc. We're more than happy to talk about that on this platform. So let us know. It all starts with your engagement. We want to find out what you guys want to do. So yeah, let us know, and really looking forward to doing this series with you, mate.
Yeah, it's going to be great fun. So we'll see you guys on the next episode and continued episodes throughout 2025 on Magic Oil Monday.